from square one because odds are before you buy this thing, you want to know what kind of assembly this entails. Forewarning, their instructions royally suck, mainly because they include hardware that they don't address in the actual manual. Now, let's hop into this so that I hopefully can save you 10 minutes of having to disassemble this entire thing because you skipped some hardware that they didn't actually address in the actual manual. First of all, go ahead and place this square block down like so. You're gonna take this washer, pop it in here in all 4 spaces, and then you're going to get this little nut and pop it down just like that. Now you're gonna take this and you're going to place it on just like this. So these 4 holes will align with those 4 holes. Easy enough. Now you're going to be taking the screw and going in from underneath back here so that it aligns with those nuts. Then you're going to take the included Allen key and tighten this all down. This little round piece, you're going to take the washer, pop it in like so, take the nut, pop it in, place this on top of the entire thing, and then the screw is going to screw up from underneath. At this point, you think you're going to install the hanger onto the front to complete the entire installation. However, don't do that because once you install this on, you won't be able to access these 4 holes in order to mount the whole thing on your wall. So leave this off for now. Go ahead and mount this on the wall, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will be able to install the hanger portion as well as the hook, probably for your gun belt, right underneath. It is optimal to try to align at least 2 of these holes with a vertical stud. However, if you cannot find a stud, as in my particular case, we're just gonna have to drill all the way through. Oh wait, there's one there, but that's way too close to the shelf. Yeah, we're just gonna have to drill through with some drywall anchors. Pro tip to save on cleanup, put a trash can underneath. What? Do yourself a favor and get some different drywall anchors because the ones that they give you, look, you put it in and it just slips right out. It doesn't bite at all. So highly recommended to actually go to the store and get some plastic ones like this. They gotta be beefy, they gotta be big though. And take the included metal drywall anchors that they give you and throw them away. We're going to get our hook. You're going to slide a nut on about halfway down, put it under the hole, and then get another nut, screw it onto the top. Take your hanger and a washer, pop the washer in, take the nut, pop it in like so, arrange in here, and the screw is going to be coming in from the back. Get another washer, another nut, slide it on, in we go, another screw from behind. Be sure to position it so it's nice and level, and then tighten it down with the included Allen key. That concludes our setup. If you're wondering if there's any hardware left behind, if you're like, oh, did I miss something? Let's go over here. And yes, it's pretty much 2 of everything, except for this wrench. There's just 1 of that. Probably because these Allen keys strip out really easily. I think they got the bare bones cheapest of the cheap. And you can see 2 of everything just in case you need those extra, along with the worthless instructions.